Hey everyone, Bill Constane here, and welcome to the My $20 Business Overview. And welcome to the #1 global savings company where you can save money, you can earn money, and you can leave a legacy. Of course, this presentation is not a guarantee of savings or earnings. There's your disclaimer, your results will vary. Saving money, sharing with others, and winning big. We have it all here for you today. Our mission, very simply, help 1 million plus people worldwide become financially free. How does that sound? Parent company, Savings Highway, founded in 2006. A rating with the Better Business Bureau. Great products and services. Millions of dollars saved by members. Millions paid in commissions. And a new launch of My $20 Business in May of 2019, an unlimited income opportunity for you, international, worldwide, and our corporate office is right in Georgia, United States of America. So meet our founder, Steve Gresham, 30 years marketing and business experience. He launched the company Savings Highway in 2006. He launched the My $20 Business with the purpose of giving people a vehicle for success. He's a devoted family man who loves spending time with his children, martial arts master for over 35 years, an instructor, passionate about helping others, pioneer, innovative thinker, Steve Gresham, personal friend of mine now almost 15 years. Here's our advisory board. You have Steve in the middle there with his lovely wife, and you have Kenneth Reed and Cornell Jones and his wife. You have Tim Jones, and you have me, Bill Constane, and my incredible wife, Nicole. There's your advisory board. You can join our powerful savings membership. Save money, stop paying retail, keep more of your cash. Matter of fact, every day you don't have this exclusive membership, you are overpaying. Stop it and start getting wholesale pricing. Become debt-free and financially free. What is your why? What's your driving reason to become debt-free? More time with family, see the world, dream home, get your dream car, help others, leave a legacy. You got to get clear, right? Because when obstacles come, your why, your reason has to be more powerful so you move forward. Imagine generating a 6-figure income within the next 1 to 3 years while working from the convenience and the safety of your own home. We have a solid, proven plan. Join, save, share, prosper. We have an incredible savings calculator. Average family saving about $5,000 a year. Again, our membership doesn't cost money, it saves money. Saving money equals increasing cash flow. Wouldn't that be great? $5,000 on average per year. That's an extra $400 a month. Would that help? Maybe get out of debt, maybe put more money towards a future travel, vacation, or maybe towards retirement. When you join us, you'll find many ways to save money. Again, employee benefit discounts. We have your savings calculator. As a member, you'll have your own website where you can go in and see every particular category, and you can do this all for as little as $20. You get in there and you see how much you can save. There's no contracts, there's no gotchas. As long as you're saving money, as long as you like it, you keep going. People love to save money. The average USA family saves $5,000 per year, and our program is being featured all around the world in over 140 countries, at least with the travel, which is over an $8 trillion industry. Big savings, cash back on top of that on all these items between apparel and car buying and beauty, fragrances, office supplies, cell phones, entertainment, financial products, insurance, home buying, selling, so much more, all for a $20 bill. Is it worth it? Well, I think it's worth it, and so many thousands of people, thousands of families agree. Start receiving employee pricing. You know, one of the benefits of working for a big corporation is getting employee discounts on that one particular company. Well, imagine getting employee discount pricing on all of the companies when you online shop and just getting discounts on everything, cash back. So Richard B says, I found savings of $280 on glasses, $2,200 on a computer, $670 on car insurance, all for a $20 membership. We plan on saving much, much more. With all the savings and tax savings we will get from our home-based business, this is a life changer. We can't thank you enough. Congratulations, Richard. Start getting amazing benefits for just $20, the price of a pizza. Wow, I saved $1,640 on my car insurance. Right, that's me, Bill Constant. Compare side by side auto insurance rates. And I will say that's on 2 vehicles. $1,640. Is it worth it? Why not find out? What about buying cars, used and new cars, getting employee discounts? Absolutely. Movie tickets, 40% off movie tickets. And all big box stores, furniture deals, Target, Macy's, save up to 50% off, plus get back on major name brand shoes, clothing, perfumes, more. You'll gain instant access to thousands of discounts all over the amazing savings portal, even including Costco and Sam's Club and Groupon and Best Buy, Dick's Sporting Goods. The list goes on and on. Get more amazing deals like $100 restaurant gift cards for only $11. Your gift cards allow you to save at a choice of 18,000 participating restaurants nationwide, and you can redeem for more than 500,000 deals. Yes, 500,000 deals nationwide. So that could be fine dining, fast food, takeout. And then, of course, groceries. You could save on groceries with our free coupons that we have every single day. And of course, save up to 75% on over 1 million rooms, hotels, condos, save up to 50% in most every major city, and never timeshare presentations. Savings available on our travel, over 140 countries and growing. We're in almost every country in the world. Enjoy thousands of deals on condo vacations, $249 per week. Yes, per week, not a day, per week. Is saving $1,000 on a vacation or more, is that worth $20? Absolutely it is. Cruise deals. These are real cruise deals where you're saving hundreds and thousands of dollars getting all the perks. Rent-a-cars, all the big names from Alamo to National to Hertz to Budget. Receive reward credits, which you can apply towards free gift cards, discounts on trips, and much more. And now, introducing your Ultimate Platinum membership. So far, everything I've discussed is a gold membership. You get all of the benefits that we just went over, plus you're going to get extra on top of that. This is for people that want it all. You get a 5-diamond dream vacation, up to a $3,000 value. How much is a Platinum membership? Only $100. Let me show you how you get that $3,000 5-diamond dream vacation. You get your points. Each month you're a Platinum, you receive 1 dream vacation point. Once you have 12 points, you receive your 5-diamond dream vacation certificate. It's that simple. Your responsibility, just $9 per night, city tax due at checkout. Value again up to $3,000. Is that worth $100? Join our Platinum Mentorship Program. In addition to your 5-diamond trip, you're going to get all of this. Discover secrets they should teach you in school. Weekly training calls, powerful videos, tax savings training, marketing mentorship, financial. Discover the secrets of success, personal development, and so much more. When you go Platinum, again, your dream vacation program, exclusive training, live training, video success library where you can access 24/7, audios, Platinum only VIP Facebook group as well. Okay, so you saw the gold, you saw Platinum. Now that you have seen the real value, we're now going to reveal to you our optional plan for creating wealth. I want to say optional because some of you might say, well, I just want to save money. I'm not looking to make money. But when the savings are so serious and make an impact in your life, why not share it forward? But you don't have to. There's never an obligation. This is for illustration purposes only, of course. This is not a guarantee of income. Here's our life-changing rewards program, our compensation. Imagine generating a six-figure income within the next 1 to 5 years while working from home. Why not share with others? We'll reward you to do so. Sharing is caring. Get paid to help people save. 50% Fast Start commissions, very simple. When you enroll someone as a trial member for $1, you make 50 cents. As a gold member, $20, you earn $10. When you refer a platinum member for $100, you earn $50. And whether you're a platinum, gold, or trial member, you earn the full 50% Fast Start bonus. Isn't that great? Then you receive 25% personal monthly residual. Join our mission to help 1 million plus people create financial freedom. So at the start of your referral second month, you earn 20% monthly for your direct referral, plus an additional 5% monthly if they are in your 2x10 matrix. Very simple qualification. Here's your gold matrix income, up to $4,104 monthly. You can harness the power of 2. Simply invite others who want to experience all of these benefits. And by referring just 2 people, you get to qualify up to $4,104 per month. You can see levels 1 through 9. You can make $1 per person. That is actually a gold member. And on level 10, it triples to $3 per person on level 10 for a total of $4,104 up to, okay? Platinum Matrix, up to $20,510 monthly. That's 5 times as much, right? It only takes 2 personally referred membership sales, and they can fall anywhere within your matrix. No hoops, no loops, no balancing, super simple, and you can make up to $20,510 if every one of your members are an active platinum member. Simple as that. Automated income system, auto upgrades based on success. If you're a gold member and you earn at least $300, so here you are, a $20 member, now you've earned $300, you will automatically upgrade to platinum the following month. Simple as that. Discover up to 240,000 annual matrix potential, platinum up to 20,500, gold up to 4,100. You only have to refer 2 people. It's up to you. What do you pick? Gold or platinum? In addition, your Infinity Power Code bonus, which has helped many people become millionaires in our industry. 100% Infinity coded bonus. What does that mean? Well, here we go. New reps are coded to you starting with your 3rd person. So your first 2, you're getting your Fast Start. You get Fast Start on everyone, but starting with your 3rd and every personal enrollment thereafter through Infinity, you receive $10 or $50 for every person who's coded to you. A match. Isn't that fantastic? So here you are, you enroll Bob, you enroll Nancy. If Bob comes in as a platinum, you make 50. If he comes in as a gold, you make 10. Same thing with Nancy. And then your 3rd person is David, who is now coded to you. So when he enrolls his first person at a gold, let's say he comes in at $10. At gold, of course, it costs $20. So David makes $10 and you make $10. CB stands for a coded bonus. So that keeps going on and on. How about if David enrolls someone that's a platinum? At $100, David would make his $50 Fast Start. You would make a $50 match. And that continues on. Their first 2, and their first 2, and their first 2. Infinite width and infinite depth. Not only on David, but then also on the 4th person, Mary, and the 5th person, and so forth and so forth. Infinity coded bonus, exciting. Again, unlimited depth, unlimited width, unlimited income. It's a beautiful thing. Now that you know, it's time to make a powerful decision to get started. Here's your trial membership for $1 for the first 30 days. You don't get the travel. You are auto upgraded to $20 gold at the end of 30 days. You get all the benefits, the daily savings programs, the commissions, and that is a way to get started if you don't have money and you just want to put your pinky toe in the water. Gold is $20 a month. It's a great way to get started. You have your wholesale travel engine. Save up to 75% on hotels and condos. All the benefits up to $4,100 in income in the matrix if all people are at the gold level. And the best, platinum, $100 a month. You get all the gold benefits, plus you get that platinum dream vacation with a value of about $3,000, and you get all the platinum mentorship and access on our platinum Facebook groups as well. Get in where you fit in. Okay, so join thousands of happy members, join our Facebook groups. What if you don't join? You'll continue to pay retail instead of wholesale. Why would you want to do that? Now you're informed, now you're educated. The best time to make a decision is when you're informed and educated. So don't pay retail anymore, folks. It's time to pay wholesale. Now that you know what's most important to you, saving money, making money, or both, you choose. What can happen for you if you do it, actually? A potential for financial freedom for you and your family. What would happen if you do it? Financial freedom, being debt-free. Start today. Make a powerful decision to join thousands of happy members worldwide. There's one more big reason to join today. Like most North Americans, you're probably overpaying on your taxes. Sandy Bodkin, CPA, former IRS tax attorney, he says every North American taxpayer who works a full-time job and does not have a side business could be overpaying taxes to the tune of $3,000 to $9,000 a year on their taxes. Is this real? Absolutely. Can you do this? Yes, you can. We believe you can. Start saving money and start sharing it forward. Will we help you? Yes, absolutely. There's our webinar schedule. You can plug in, plug your people in. Just invite your guests to join our weekly live webinars hosted by our dynamic advisory board members every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. We present it for you. Join our Facebook groups. You're never alone. Happy, positive people, success mentors, daily posts, success hints, and so much more. And there you have it. Take action. Do not hesitate. Every moment you don't have this exclusive by invitation only membership, you're overpaying for things that you're buying. Stop paying retail. Start paying wholesale. Get in where you fit in. Trial member at $1. Gold member at $20 a month. Great value. Get the wholesale travel engine. And platinum. Get everything in gold. Plus, have your platinum dream vacation on layaway. In 12 months, you'll be on that 5-diamond trip, and you'll have all the access that platinum can provide. So again, get in where you fit in. I want to congratulate you in advance for making a wonderful decision. We're excited to see your success. Start saving money. Start sharing it forward. God bless you and your family, and we'll see you on the next video.